Hi there, students. A canard. A canard. Okay, this is a false piece of information, a hoax. This is a report or a rumour that somebody spreads that is intended to trick people, to give people a false impression. Yeah, this word, a canard, this is false news, which is, I think, quite a hot topic nowadays. That in social media, there are various different groups that try to spread various different canards to support their point of view or their opinion. Um, okay, so a canard, a false story. Um, Something that's deliberately misleading. It's designed to trick people. Yeah. This word is particularly used for journalism and publishing. Yeah, it's a false report, a hoax. Usually, it's something negative that spreads a rumor or suggests that somebody has done something bad. Um, I know many of the social media platforms are cracking down on false news, on canards. Yeah. Okay, so a canard, it's effectively just a false story, an unfounded rumor. That, well, normally it's something that has been made up. Yeah. So the reports about this conspiracy theory are in fact a canard, a groundless rumor. Yeah. The widespread canard that all politicians are dishonest. Okay, so it's something that people believe. It's a rumor that goes round. It's a false report. um, and I think social media are the perfect vehicle for canards because somebody can tweet or post on YouTube or post on Facebook more or less anything they want. They don't have to maintain their reputation or their truth or their integrity, although I think they should. I think particularly Canard is malicious. It's something that has the intention of defaming somebody, of saying things about them that are not true. So it's an invention, yeah, a misrepresentation, yeah, some story that somebody's invented. There's this canard going around that the Premier has a new girlfriend and is about to leave his wife. You see, a canard like that will affect his reputation because there's this saying in English that mud sticks. If you start throwing mud throwing, saying nasty things about people, even if they're untrue, some of it sticks because people believe what they want to believe, and I think that's the point with it. So, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's a little bit on the formal side. I guess you could use it informally, but I think I might use the word a hoax or false news or something like that. And then as to origin, this comes from the French word canard, a duck, from the verb gagner, to quack like a duck. And in French, there's a phrase to sell half sell a duck, yeah, meaning to trick someone. Vendre un canard à moitié. Yeah, so you tell them they're buying the whole thing, but they only get half of it. So a canard, a hoax story, false news. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A canard.